Good morning, sir. Welcome to LC Cafe and Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Please wait. I will check it in our system.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you for waiting. This way, sir. This table is okay to you, sir.
Okay.
Have a seat, sir. Um,
Ayan.
may I unfold your napkin in your lap?
Okay.
I suggest, sir, yung juices, we have orange juice or iced tea juice.
Okay. Yes.
Orange juice. Okay, sir. Sir, this is your orange juice. And this is cold water, sir. Do you have more? This is fresh baked bread.
Yeah.
Do you have some more? Yes, sir. Sir, excuse me po. This is our menu. Okay. Can I take your order, sir? For appetizer, sir, I suggest we are spring roll. And soup, sir, I suggest pumpkin soup. And sa salad, sir, I suggest Caesar salad. And sa main course po, I suggest big steak. And sa dessert, sir, I suggest leche plan. And sa wine, sir, I suggest Mabilino. That's it. I repeat your order, sir. For appetizer, one spring roll, then four soup, pumpkin soup, then sa salad, sir, Caesar salad, then main course, beef steak, sa dessert, sir, leche plan, and sa wine, Mobilino. Tama, sir. Okay. I can take your menu. Excuse me, sir. Can I adjust your table? Oh. Excuse me, sir. This is your appetizer spring roll. Excuse me, sir. Can I do? Excuse me, sir. This is your soup, pumpkin soup. Sir, can I do? Excuse me, sir. This is your salad, Caesar salad. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your red wine Novelino. Vintage year of 1799 with from California, USA with with 12%, 12.8% alcohol and 875 ml by volume. Excuse me, sir. This is your main course, beef steak. Your food. Pizza. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Can I cram your table? Excuse me, sir. This is your dessert, leche plan. Enjoy your meal. Excuse me, sir. This is your change and your tip. Uh, thank you for dining and um, have a nice day and come again.
Hello?
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Vince speaking. How may I help you?
I want to order some food.
Certainly, sir. Do you have a menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I know your name and room number?
My name is Axel Guillermo, room 516.
Okay. Can I take your order, sir?
I ordered scrambled egg, bread with butter, orange, apple juice, sausage, coffee,
I suggest, sir, tapsilog or bibingka.
tapsilog.
Okay, sir. I repeat your order, sir, from um, Mr. Axel and room 516. Your order is one scrambled egg, bread with butter, and courage, one apple juice, one sausage, and one coffee. Then last is one capsule. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Um, would you like to deliver right away or specific time?
Specific time.
What time, sir?
8.
8. Okay, sir, 8. And the total amount your bill is 2K. Are you paying in cash or room charge?
Room charge.
Is there anything else that can I help you with?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for calling room service, sir. Have a nice day.